Welcome students, good morning. Myself Akshay Kumar Srivastav and I am your computer teacher, and this is my new video of class 3rd, and today's chapter is chapter 3, Introduction to Windows 7. In the last 2 weeks I will provide you the chapter's 3rd videos, and in this sequence I will also provide today the chapter 3 video, and today's topic is that is given on your book on page number 32, that is a changing icon views. In previous video I tell you about restoring the deleted icons, how we can delete an icon, how we can rename an icon, okay, and some topics are also today's cover, that is given on your page number book 33, arranging the desktop icons, sorting the icons, and the last topic is that changing the Windows theme. Okay students, today I will cover all of the topics of chapter 3. So we start. Students, I think I already tell you about how to delete an icon, so I will repeat it once again. If you want to delete any icon, then first you select an icon and press the delete key from the keyboard. This is the one way. And second way, right click on an icon and select a delete option from the context menu, like that. If you want to delete that file, then you have to right click and the option came, then you have to select the delete, and then the message came, then this is the confirmation message, are you sure want to move that file to the recycle bin? Then if you want to delete, then press yes. If you did not want to delete, then press no. So I want to delete it, so press yes. Okay, that file is deleted. And how you can restore the deleted files? Restoring the deleted icons or files. So how you can restore? So first you open a recycle bin. The recycle bin will open here, and now here is your file. Search your file which you want to restore. Search the file which you want to restore. This is the my file. I deleted. Just I delete this file and I want to restore that file. Then I have to select this file and right click on that, and then there is an option came, restore. If I delete from here, then file will be permanently deleted. I have to click on restore, then the file go on its original place from where it is to be deleted. Okay, so we have to click on restore, and now look, that files came onto the desktop. Okay, now next is a changing icons view. You can view the desktop icons in 3 different ways, and also choose to hide all the desktop icons by using the steps given below. Right click on the empty desktop area. Second, from the menu that appears, point to the view option. A sub menu will appear. Third, click on the required view, large icons, medium icons, small icons. The size of the icons will change accordingly. Remember, disabling the show desktop icons, clicking to remove the tick mark in front of the will hide all the desktop icons. To see icons again, you must enable these options. So I will show you how you can change icons view. So you have to right click on the empty desktop area. So this is the empty desktop area. I am right clicking on that, and then here is the option view. Click, and then there is a 3 types of options. One is the large icons, medium icons, and small icons. Okay, so that is by default. This is the view of small icons. If I click on large icons, then I will show you all that icons will too large. Okay, like that. And medium icons, I will show you medium icons, this type of view. Okay, this is the medium icon view. And the small icon view, and this is the small view, and this is the small icons. So this is the view. Okay, and this is the show desktop area. Okay students, so I think all of you understand. There is a show desktop icons, show desktop gadgets, all have to tick mark. If I click on that unclick this show desktop gadgets, then these gadgets are not shown. Okay, if I select this show desktop, this is the tick mark, so the desktop gadgets are shown. Here is a tick mark, show the desktop icons are shown. If I want to hide all that icons, then I have clicked no desktop icons will show. How? Here is I have untick this, so no desktop icons will shown here. If I also untick this desktop gadgets, then all the desktop gadgets are also, screen is fully empty. Okay, and if you want to restore it, then what you can do, you can right click, view, and then tick mark, and then again view, and you have to click on that show desktop icons. Okay, now arranging desktop icons. We can arrange the icons on the desktop to give it a neat and tidy look. The steps to do this are as follows. Right click on the empty desktop area. In the view menu that appears, point to the view option. Third, click on the auto arrange icons option from the sub menu that appears. To enable it, the icons will get neatly arranged on the desktop. Remember, disabling the auto arrange icons features will allow you to place icons anywhere on the desktop. So how you can arrange the desktop icons? This is the arrange manner. If you want to rearrange this, then what you can do, right click on the empty desktop area. In the view option, there is a auto arrange icons that will be already selected. View, this is auto arrange icons, and then the icons, all the icons will arrange accordingly. What you can do, right click on the empty desktop area, view option, and there is a auto arrange icons option. Here is a tick mark on that option. So this is the tick mark on that, means ki auto arrange icons feature is enabled on that my desktop area. Okay, so this is the option how you can arrange the icons. Next is sorting the icons. Sorting means arranging icons in a particular order. To sort by option of the desktop context menu give us various options to sort the desktop icons. Sorting means to arrange the desktop icons in alphabetical order, in according to their size, in according to their capacity. Okay, so right click on the empty desktop area. From the menu that appears, point to the sort by option. A sub menu will appear showing various sorting options. Click on an options to sort the icons as required. So which type of options are there? One is a size, second one is the item type, and third one is a name. Size means amount of memory space or occupied by an icon. Item type means whether it is a system, program file, or folder or shortcut icon. Clicking once on the name option will sort the name of the icons in ascending order. Clicking again will arrange them in a descending order. So I will show you how you can sort it, how you can arrange. Right click on the empty desktop area, and there is the option came sort by. Now this is the name, arrange, size, item type, date. So first I have click on that size. According to size, this will be arranged. Okay, here my computer is came here, recycle bin. According to size, that desktop icons features as according to size. Sort by, again you have to click on item type, system icons. System icons are first arranged, computer, recycle bin, these are the system icons, and then the users icons are created. Okay, and third is a sort by, and this is the according to name. So by default according to name, seed, alphabetical order, and then this is the lastly zoom, Z. Okay, this is the according to alphabetical order. Okay, this is the sorting the icons. Now next topic is that students, changing the Windows theme. A theme is a combination of desktop background, other visual, sound, colors, etc. You can change the Windows theme for your computer by following the steps given below. Right click anywhere on the empty desktop area. From the context menu that appears, select the personalize options. The personalization screen will open. Select a theme from the arrow theme section. The desktop background will change accordingly. How you can change Windows theme? Right click on that area and then select the personalize option. This is the personalize option. Click on that and then this is the select a theme, arrow theme. There is the arrow theme. This is the arrow theme. Which theme you want, then you have to, if you want to nature any, select it and click on that. Okay, only you have to select it. That themes will be applied. If I selected nature theme, then click, that theme will get applied. Okay, so this is the way you can change the desktop Windows theme. Okay students, I think all of you understand. If you have any problem, then message me. Thank you. Have a nice day and take care of yourself. Goodbye.